Attention business owners. Do you want to take your website and business to the next level with WordPress? Very few things have disrupted the digital marketing scene as greatly as WordPress has in the last decade. WordPress is the best known and most widely used content management system, CMS, for creating websites. It was founded in 2003 and has since found millions of users and fans along the way. Thanks to the platform's free and simple content management system, it made it possible for anyone, regardless of levels of technical knowledge, to create impressive websites. This possibility is boosted further by the seemingly endless library of themes and plugins. That's why when it comes to the most downloaded software in the world, WordPress is right there at the top. People around the world are making a living through WordPress, and there are a lot of opportunities for developers to help businesses build sites with pleasing design and high functionality. The possibility boosted even further during this COVID-19 pandemic crisis. Businesses that stayed alive needed cheaper ways to communicate and turn to websites. And many people who lost their jobs started their own companies. Many of those people needed online stores. Providing a WordPress specialist have a unique opportunity to help these traditional brick-and-mortar businesses prepare themselves for the online world during this crisis. There are still so many small business owners that do not have a functional website or the means to set one up. The power of WordPress is the flexibility it offers through third-party plugins and themes to quickly get something online that can actually help an owner's bottom line right now. And business owners are ready to pay for it. Web developers are charging anywhere between $5 to $5,000 for a fully functional WordPress site that generates great results. But the problem is, you don't know how to use WordPress? Although there's no need to have coding knowledge while creating your own website with WordPress, it's a little bit intimidating to operate if you are not tech savvy. With all its themes, plugins, and add-ons, it can be a little bit overwhelming to understand how the platform works and how you can leverage its full potential to get optimum results. But not anymore. Now you can also create stunning websites using WordPress and strengthen your brand online without any hassle. We take pride in presenting Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit. Step-by-step WP tutorial videos to start using WordPress for your business and boost profits. Take a look at what you're going to get inside. Module number 1, 20 chapters of step-by-step training videos that will show you exactly how to make WordPress work for you to create engaging, attractive, and professional-looking websites without having a lick of coding knowledge. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going. Module number 2, Premier Training Guide on Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit. This guide will walk you through every step and information you need to set up your own WordPress site, securely and efficiently. We have included everything you need to know about WordPress and its advanced features to let it work for you. And that's not all. In addition, we are providing 3 fast action bonuses. Bonus 1, Cheat Sheet. Bonus 2, Mind Map. Bonus 3, Top Resource Report. It is an essential asset for any website or business owner. WordPress can get really confusing sometimes, but it's all sorted out for you. All you need to do is simply use these video tutorials and information provided in the training guide to take your business to unprecedented heights. So why wait? Get started today. Click on the buy button and grab the deal.